Hi everyone, today we will do Progressive Magazine Dictation exercise number 6. You can get the PDF from description box. So ready? Start. Scheduled caste and scheduled tribe entrepreneurs are beginning to show great promise in starting and running successful business enterprises. The Prime Minister had given a call for promoting entrepreneurship among SC/ST to become job provider rather than job seekers. I am happy to inform you that the Union Cabinet has approved the Stand Up India scheme to promote entrepreneurship among SC/ST and women. Rupees 500 crore has been provided for this purpose. The scheme will facilitate at least 2 such projects per bank branch, one for each category of entrepreneur. This will benefit at least 2 lakh entrepreneurs. We are celebrating the 125th birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. This must be the year of economic empowerment for SC/ST entrepreneurs. We have extensively interacted with the Dalit India Chamber of Commerce and Industry on building an entrepreneurship ecosystem. It is proposed to constitute a national scheduled caste and scheduled tribe hub in the MSME Ministry in partnership with Industry Association. This hub will provide professional support to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe entrepreneurs to fulfill the obligation under the Central Government Procurement Policy 2012, adopt global best practices and leverage the Stand Up India initiative. The schemes for welfare and skill development for minorities such as multi-sectoral development program and Ustad shall be implemented effectively. I would now like to highlight the steps proposed to be taken under education, skill development and job creation, which is the fourth pillar of my budget proposal. After universalization of primary education throughout the country, we want to take the next big step forward by focusing on the quality of education with 62 new Navodaya Vidyalayas in the current year to help students, higher education institutions and employers to assess degree certificates of candidates. It is proposed to establish a digital depository for school leaving certificates, college degrees, academic awards and mark sheets on the pattern of Securities Depository. This will help validate their authenticity, safe storage and easy retrieval. Skill India Mission seeks to capitalize our demographic advantage. Since its launch, the National Skill Development Mission has created an elaborate skilling ecosystem and imparted training to 76 lakh youth. We want to bring entrepreneurship to our doorstep of youth through Prime Minister Skill Development Mission this year. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno Star.